Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down the iPad and clearing a soft workspace. This prevents accidental inputs and surface damage. Once done, feel along the case edges to find seams and clips, because the removal begins at these weak points. Use your thumbs to apply even pressure at a corner while supporting the back with your other hand. You want to flex the case slightly, not force it. Make sure to avoid sharp tools and keep fingers near the seams to guide the panels apart. Once a corner begins to lift, continue along the nearest long edge with small, controlled motions. You are separating clips, not tearing them off. Make sure to alternate sides as needed to keep pressure balanced and prevent bending the frame. When you reach a corner, ease it up by sliding your thumb under the lip and rotating slightly. This frees hidden clips. Also, pay attention to port covers and camera openings. Release those areas carefully so internal buttons and sensors remain intact. Finish by peeling the last edge away while keeping the iPad flat on the cloth so the device doesn't twist or pop loose suddenly. Make sure all clips are disengaged. If something resists, stop and inspect rather than forcing it. Once free, set the case aside and examine both the iPad and case for any debris or residue. If removal is still difficult, warm the case gently with low heat to soften material. Do not overheat. Then repeat the slow separation technique.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.